Oh my god, welcome back to another video. This is Deja Voo Nails. I'm so happy to do this one. It is swatches of the not polished that I got, and I am so dead on these. Let's just say they run like butter. Like you can just mold them. They literally stay where you want them, and then you are the one moving them where you want them to be. Now this first one is called Creme Brule, and it is very, very light and creamy and sparkly. It has a glitter touch to it, so it does have a nice little sparkle to it, and it's such a fall color. I think it's gonna be so pretty to use to do some unusual ombres, so I am going to be doing some soon, and I absolutely love the way it lays. It is kind of taking me a minute to get used to it because all the other ones that I've used have been just so horribly runny and just did not do what I wanted them to do, and this one is just moving the way that I need for it to do. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. As always, please take a moment and like this video and subscribe and click that notification bell. If you like me doing the hauls that I've been doing, please comment and let me know what you think. Comment and tell me what to try next. Tell me what to get next. I just want to spoil you guys with trying out all of the goodies. And so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of the video. I love y'all so much and enjoy the show. So how gorgeous were these? These are the most beautiful, easy to work with items. I can't even believe this acrylic exists. It's so nice. Like, I really am upping my game when it comes to what I'm using, and I wish I would have done it a long time ago. I've always kind of been like, oh my god, the price is so crazy, and I've kind of suffered through using a lower price item, and I can't believe it. Like, I just absolutely love these. So I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please like and subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.